How to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. To get started, you first need to open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Here, you can make all the necessary changes on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics option. Then, you need to scroll down a little bit and select Keyboard Feedback. Now, toggle off the sound option from here. Once it's done, your keyboard won't make any sound while you type the keys. If you want to turn that on, simply toggle on this option. From this page, you can also toggle off the haptic if you find it irrelevant. This way, you get more control over how you use the device. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.